Hi, I'm Massey from HSP Vehicle Accessories, and I'm here to show you guys the Armour Bar on the all-new Kia Tasman. Now this is fitted directly on to the roll R cover and is a fantastic looking sports bar for when you want something that's got the aesthetic appeal but also quite a lot of functionality. So let's go through it and check out what the Armour Bar is all about. Now a lot of people ask, why do we make a sports bar? And the reason is we actually wanted to give vehicles a really nice aesthetic finish, but we didn't want to create something that's already on the market, which is why we went for an alloy finished sports bar. It's not only lighter in weight, but it allows us to have really nice contouring throughout the bar, which allows you to have a semi-sailplane sort of a look, but the functionality of a normal sports bar. The other benefit of using alloy is that it doesn't rust. It's of course a lot lighter, which improves your vehicle's GVM, and you get that really nice powder coated finish that again blends really well with not just the roll R cover, but also with the Kia Tasman, as it's got a lot of black accent features. Now, the Armour Bar can only be installed onto the roll R cover, and the roll R cover will have points for it to enter directly. And here's the really cool part. The height of the Armour Bar will always be roughly around the height of the Kia Tasman, which gives you a really nice integrated finish, and the aesthetics of it is nice. So if I'll step away, you'll be able to see that really nice level there, which absolutely finishes off the car perfectly. Now with extended sports bars, there's not a lot of room to mount things that you can usually to a crossbar system, which is why we've actually come up with a really cool product which is called the Load Bar V2, which sits perfectly in between the Armour Bar rear legs. And that looks a little something like this. So you can see the two crossbars of the Armour Bar sit perfectly in between the rear of the Armour Bar and allows you to mount stuff on, for example, bikes and whatever Rhino accessories or Yakima accessories, using those universal channels on the load bar. Another really cool feature of this is that you can move these up and down. So say you want to carry something like jerry cans, spare wheels, or whatever it can be, you can move these to be closer to each other as well. So there you go, the HSP Armour Bar and the HSP Load Bar to suit the Armour Bar. Now this is available directly through HSP by visiting www.hsputelids.com or following us on any of our social media at HSP4X4.